Welcome to the Text Mesh Creator Tool Quick Tutorial. You will find the attached script Text Mesh Title Creator in the Properties panel. Add a description in the input text field to create a title. Turn Show Gizmos off and turn on the World Sim to view the text mesh. Next, determine if the line spacing needs to be increased or decreased. I recommend to turn off World Sim before making changes and to turn on World Sim to review applied changes. Use the letter spacing in conjunction with the letter scale options to find the right balance of size and space between letters. I recommend to duplicate the Text Mesh Title tool found under the hierarchy to create additional text for horizontal spacing between words. Adjust the scale and spacing to find the perfect alignment and placement for the text in the world. Notice that the text default is left justified and will generate left to right. To center the text, we'll toggle on the Center Text option in the Properties panel. Notice the text is now centered to the empty object that the script is attached to. Make sure that the object is centered on an object in the world to ensure alignment. Under our Center Text toggle is a despawn timeout. This feature allows a user to set a timer in seconds to despawn the text. For example, we'll change this to 3 seconds. So once the text spawning is complete, the countdown of 3 seconds will start to remove the text from the world. Now we'll change the despawn back to 10 seconds, which is enough time to see the text in a world. Next, we'll toggle on the Curved Enabled feature. You will notice that the text is curved around the y-axis of the empty object. The curve position is based on the radius and degrees set in the properties found under Curve Radius and Curve Degrees below the Curve Enabled toggle button. Take time to experiment and have fun with the curve radius and degrees to come up with some awesome game titles. It's possible to create a title that encapsulates a small city or place a title at the curve of a racetrack. Next, we'll explore the most beautiful aspect of the Text Mesh Title Creator tool, which is the custom fonts. The tool comes with 5 custom fonts, which includes the alphabet and numbers. The index of fonts consists of the following text mesh designs. At index 1 is Backwoods, the Jungle theme is index 2, Halloween is index 3, with Christmas being index 4, and Valentine's Day being index 5. To change fonts, input the index number in the Properties Font Index section. As non-technical user of this tool, no code is needed to replace the text mesh fonts with your own custom designs. Now we'll see the tool in action. You will notice that the Halloween spacing was updated to create more separation between the letters. You may find that adjustments are needed as the font index is updated. Let's look at the 4th font index and update the input text description, and watch the user update these properties while listening to some music. Just a reminder, this tool can be duplicated and stacked as well as presented here. I hope someone finds this open source public asset useful, and that community will continue to build and evolve this into a more robust option for text and Horizon.